जी।
या हम लोग कोलकाता से आए. इट्स एक्चुअली फ्रॉम ईस्ट टू नॉर्थ. ऑल्दो हम लोग पहले भी शिमला आ चुके हैं 2 बार. बट इस बार स्पेशली हम लोग सोगी में शुभम नेचुरल विला में रुके हैं लास्ट 2 days. टुडे इज द लास्ट डे. बट बेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर villa, it's because it's in the nature. And nearby attraction are, there are so many attraction. आपका मोहन हेरिटेज पार्क, it's also closer to this villa. And there is a temple nearby. It's uh, Tara Mata temple, which is also just nearer to this villa. And it's only like 3 kilometers from this place. Here, what we have enjoyed mostly, the owner and their family, is they are very mixing in nature. They are also preparing good food. It's like a homely food. And room is really beautiful, valley facing room. There are different floors are there. I think total around 16 rooms are there. They are offering also good package like breakfast, then dinner, and also local sightseeing package that we have also taken. And the staff, they are very humble and really caring in nature. The food what we have got actually for last 2 days, it's like a home food. So I what we have enjoyed, we are expressing same to you also. You can come. It's very closer to Shimla. Only Shimla is around say 10 to 12 kilometers from here, but it's a offbeat location and pollution free. You can enjoy your stay maybe 2 days, 3 days, and nearby attraction also you can visit some good tourist places. Even also we have been to Chai, Khopri, and Masarova. So they are also arranging visit through their own car. So it's also what we are feeling, and you should also come here. And it's our recommendation. What it's a true feedback, and you should come. Everybody should come and have a stay and take care. They will take care you as a family members. Thank you.